Welcome to our YouTube channel and please do subscribe it for more videos and updates. Don't forget to press notification button. Okay, let's begin with the information. Japanese phonemaker Panasonic has launched the Eluga Ray 800 smartphone in India. The handset is a budget offering and packs basic specifications. Unlike contemporary notch and bezel-less phone, the Panasonic Eluga Ray 800 dons an old-school design with 16:9 aspect ratio and thick bezels. The device also boots a rather dated Android version out of the box and single camera both on the front and back. However, on the bright side, the Eluga Ray 800 equipped with a beefy battery, fingerprint sensor, and an octa-core processor. Coming to the specifications, the Panasonic Eluga Ray 800 packs a 5.5-inch display with full HD resolution and Corning Gorilla Glass up top. The handset is powered by 1.8 GHz octa-core processor, unknown maker, paired with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB storage, which is expandable up to 128 GB via microSD card. For photography, the phone features a 13-megapixel sensor at the back with LED flash and an 8-megapixel shooter up front for selfies and video calling. The phone comes preloaded with Android 7.0 Nougat on the software side of things. It's fueled by a whopping 4,000 mAh battery. In terms of connectivity, the Eluga Ray 800 offers hybrid dual SIM slots, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 3.5mm headphone jack, and micro USB port. Other features include FM support, a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor and Panasonic's trademark AI assistant called Darbo Hub. The Panasonic Eluga Ray 800 has been priced at Rs 9,999 and is available across all e-commerce platforms and leading retail stores. Interested buyers can purchase the device in gold color option. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and comment on our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.